Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Microforests are vital for creating green spaces in urban areas, enhancing biodiversity, improving air quality, and combating climate change in small, accessible environments. They are a crucial step towards sustainable cities and healthier ecosystems. A microforest is a small, densely planted forest ecosystem that mimics the structure and functions of a larger forest, but on a much smaller scale. Microforests offer a powerful solution for making cities greener, more resilient, and livable while addressing a range of environmental challenges. In its endeavor to emphasize on the importance of microforests and develop an affinity towards nature among its students, CT Group of Institutions Jalandhar took the initiative and created a beautiful microforest on its campus.
This microforest was planned and this microforest was executed on 555th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, Pehli Padshah of the Sikh faith. We, the CT Group of Institutions, believe that we can proceed to develop ourselves as a society, as a nation, at holistic level if we are deeply embedded in our culture, our moral values, ethics, and scriptures. Be it the Vedas, Shastras, or Shri Guru Granth Sahib, the Sikh holy scripture, we strongly believe that Mother Nature can heal us, empower us, and has an ability to enlighten us. CT Microforest has 555 trees. These 555 trees are some of the medicinal plants, some of the plants which grow beautiful flowers and they add aesthetic sense to Mother Nature. Some of them can give us beautiful fruits, delicious, tasty, and some of them can provide us medicinal seeds. So nature has all of it. We need to identify it. Our Managing Director, Dr. Manbir Singh Ji, who studied abroad and came back here, believed in one thing, that Mother Nature and solely Mother Nature is the sustainable source. We need to protect it and defend it and be the natural warriors. Now, you can have a glimpse and a glimpse of this beautiful microforest. It has hardly been a year and these trees, they have reached 6 feet plus height. All the faculty members of this institution have adopted one tree. We grew each sapling with our own hands. And you would love this fact that we come here at the weekends. We sometimes water the plant, sometimes we put the natural manures, and sometimes we just stand here and talk to our trees. Now, what is the purpose of this microforest? That is the big question. Why? There is pollution, there is population, there is concrete jungle, and we need to breathe. We need air, we need quietness, we need peace. We need to develop, we need to work on ourselves. And for all that, what we need is the lap of Mother Nature. If we are devoid of these beautiful resources, what would we have? No squirrels, no sparrows, no nest. Are these things common nowadays? No. These are the rarest of rare pleasures which a person can have. So keeping those things in view, what we plan to do was to give our coming generation a legacy of microforest. And this is just one forest. We are planning to grow more and more microforests, not just in this campus, but in various other campuses across Punjab. We have schools, we have other campuses in this city, and we have one world-class university at Ludhiana. So we are planning to work on the microforests on all these campuses. Now, you can see that we have urban jungle, but our forests are being cut down. Our trees are being killed in the name of development, urbanization. So where will all those nests go? They will just vanish away. To bring the mother nature to the relief, this microforest would be a great help. Now, what we are growing here are the jamun trees. We are growing here shahtut. We are growing here lemon trees. Not just that, the amalthas is here, people tree, banyan tree, arjun ki chal. There are so many plants which have the ability to give us a rejuvenation of a lifetime. We have all that what we need to survive. To come out of that rat race, we need to reconnect to our roots, our cultures, and our ancient tradition. My dear all, this microforest is not just one of the USPs of Jalandhar, but this city microforest is also something to which our coming generation look forward to. This has added beauty to our campus, and our youth, our young students, both boys and girls, are inspired. We make it a point that our students grow more and more trees. When the young students join our campus, we give them sapling. When any VIP, any guest, any event is happening, we welcome them with a sapling. And there is one very, very deep philosophy behind it, that we need to grow more and more trees. Enough of war, enough of violence, enough of concrete jungle. In the name of development, what we need today is to be the warriors of the nature. And to be the warriors of nature, we need to protect our nature. We need to grow more and more plants before it is too late. We have identified it, and we wish whole of India, all the Indians, whole youth to get up. भारत का नव निर्माण तभी होगा जब हम भारतीय अपनी जड़ से जुड़े रहेंगे, अपनी जड़ से जुड़े रहेंगे और दूसरे हाथ से उचक कर हम टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ मंगल ग्रह को भी फतेह कर पाए। ये कर पाएंगे और भी आगे जा पाएंगे, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं अपनी मिट्टी को नहीं छोड़ना। ये माइक्रो फॉरेस्ट का अब फायदा क्या क्या है उस पे बात करते हैं। सॉइल इरोजन, soil pollution, and abandoning the soil, that is something which we have been doing. It is time to halt. And these microforests, these help us to heal our Mother Earth. Apart from that, water retention, water table improvement, this is a beautiful fruit which we can harvest in a very short time. इसके अलावा कुछ ऐसी स्पीशीज हैं जो विलुप्त होने की कगार पे हैं। सो नेचुरल हैबिटेट, लाइफ साइकिल्स जो हैं, इसके ऊपर वर्क करने की ज़रूरत है और ये माइक्रो फॉरेस्ट हमें वो मौका प्रोवाइड करते हैं। नॉइस पॉल्यूशन एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। एंग्जाइटी, स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन, ये सब चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं बढ़ती हैं हमारे आसपास की नॉइस पॉल्यूशन से। और पता है नॉइस पॉल्यूशन कौन रोक सकता है? पेड़। एंड जस्ट इमेजिन एक माइक्रो फॉरेस्ट कितनी नॉइस पॉल्यूशन को रोक सकता होगा। और इसका मतलब ये है कि जहाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा माइक्रो फॉरेस्ट हैं उन जगहों पे एंग्जाइटी, स्ट्रेस, टेंशन, डिप्रेशन, ब्लड प्रेशर, ये सब चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं कंट्रोल में आएंगी। सो अगर लालची होना है सो अपने बारे में सोचिए। हमारी सेहत अच्छी हो सकती है अगर हम अपने आसपास माइक्रो फॉरेस्ट के ऊपर प्लान करें और उसको एग्जीक्यूट भी करें। इतना ही नहीं, कहीं ना कहीं कार्बन एमिशन जो है उसको भी एक पेड़ बहुत हद तक कम कर सकता है। एंड वी हैव माइक्रो फॉरेस्ट हेयर। व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ माइक्रो फॉरेस्ट वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि अलग अलग तरह की पॉल्यूशन के अलावा, एस्थेटिक सेंस के अलावा, यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे भी पंछी, जीव जंतु हैं जो माइग्रेशन के साथ यहाँ आते हैं। तो जब माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स ढेरों की कगार में यहाँ पहुँचेंगे तो क्या होगा? कहीं ना कहीं नेचर और ब्यूटीफुल हो जाएगी। सो अपनी आसपास, अपने नेचर के खूबसूरत होने में आइए योगदान दें। अब एक बात और है जिस पे मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग ध्यान दें, एंड दैट इज कि हम लोग वाटर शेड हेल्थ सिस्टम, रेन वाटर और जो रेन वाटर की वेस्टेज है उसको भी चैनलाइज करके उस पानी को हम यहाँ इरिगेशन में ला सकते हैं इस्तेमाल में। और उसके अलावा पानी का लेवल जो है वो ऊंचा हो जाएगा, तो पानी बर्बाद होने से कहीं ना कहीं बच रहा है, हमें ऑक्सीजन बैंक मिल रहा है, कार्बन एमिशन जो है एक चैलेंज है उसको कहीं ना कहीं रोकने में, कैंसिल करने में कार्बन एब्जॉर्प्शन कर रहे हैं हमारे पेड़। तो बोलिए और क्या फायदा चाहिए? यू नेम इट एंड द मदर नेचर हैज प्रोवाइडेड यू all the healing things, all the resources that you need. So आज समय आ गया है कि हम सब बने nature warriors, the protectors of the nature. If you want to reconstruct new India, if you want to resurrect India, and if you want to India to be at par at the global level, you need to be connected to your roots. You need to be connected to all the ancient scriptures. We teach you to be thankful, to be filled with gratitude. CT microforest is that one small step towards the giant leap which we as Indians are capable of taking. Think about that.